Okay, I'm at the Blue Mountain Resort and I'm gonna go down that hill over there. My fourth time. Aliana went on the higher slopes and Tony went to have some coffee. And I'm gonna try it again for the fourth time. And this is my outfit. La 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 la. Look at my outfit. And that's the ski. Okay, and this is the Blue Mountain.
Keep going.
There, Blue Mountain. Doesn't see. There. Hindi ako ganun. Holy cow. People here are so fast. Oh my goodness, they're fast. Okay, my turn. Going down there.